Hi, everybody, and welcome back. Today we're going to learn how to narrate every slide in your Nearpod lesson, except the draw-its. The draw-its will not take a narration either way you do it. But basically, there's two ways to narrate slides. The first way is in a setting on your account. It's called Immersive Reader, and it's a new tool that Nearpod developed, and it's fantastic. To access it, though, you have to click on your little icon person and get into your settings first. This was kind of tricky to find. So once you're in your settings, you'll need to navigate down to your advanced settings, and then Immersive Reader is right here. You'll need to turn that on. In the same spot, while you're here, you might want to enable student notes and show quiz results and allow students to resubmit answers. That's up to you, but I would not enable collaborate for student-paced mode. That's my opinion, but I would not turn that on. So the Immersive Reader is fantastic. It goes to specific slides, let me show you, that have things built into them like the quiz. When it has a quiz, the question on the each question, it will have a little book Immersive Reader button icon for the kids, and they can click it and it will convert the text to audio so they can listen to it. So that's the first way, and it does that on several of the activities. Basically, if you can't narrate the slide, then it'll have an Immersive Reader button. However, on a regular slide like this one, when you create the slide, you will be able to add an audio file right here with this button. So I'm not actually going to do it, but because you won't be able to hear it anyway, but you can add a pre-recorded audio file, like say from your phone or from your computer, or you can record right now. And I did that a lot with slides. I would just narrate the directions, and the kids have a little, along the bottom, they'll have a little play button that will be attached to that slide. I'm going to allow my microphone. Hello, how are you today? And then I'm going to click save on that, and it is going to attach that audio file right to the bottom of that slide. So now the kids, when they get onto the slide, they'll have the option of hitting that play button and listening to my directions. So you can do that with any basic slide that you make. And we're going to save and exit. So those are the two ways to narrate. The basic slides, you record it yourself, and the quizzes and other activities, you turn on the Immersive Reader. So thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.